So nice. We're going sa Pink Church. Maglalakad lang kami around 14 minutes. Yun na yung Pink Church. Pinunta ni Mom. Funny. Sarado yung Pink Church. Sa labas lang. Nag-pray lang saglit sa labas. That's about it. Dito kami sa may bookstore. Nakapansin ko rin eh. Hindi lang. Bumili ako ng postcard but I don't know how it works. So, let's see. We're now on the way to Roomish. Nagpahinga lang kami saglit sa hotel and then nag-change clothes. Hindi ko na. Sobrang gaganda ng pieces as in everything. Pero yung iba medyo pricey. As in for events talaga siya. Very different, very unique. So nice. Sa McDo kami now, this is parang fish sauce chicken, then their original chicken, nuggets, shake, then this is calamansi apricot, and then this is lime deep, I don't know. Sarap ako dito. Ngam cafe. What? I wanna take a video. Wala lang mo.